When the roads are icy, it is very important to use the correct spreading method and the right spreading material in an efficient way to make the roads as safe as possible. The Stratos Combi Solic can utilize all spreading methods for different weather conditions. Hard, liquid and dry spreading mixtures can be freely selected, all in the same machine. Latest research has shown that wet salt with a higher salt percentage can be more effective in certain situations than FS30. These new findings have played a major role in the new design. Now you can adjust the Stratos Combi Solic individually to your operations thanks to the modular hopper and tank construction. The patented flex hopper allows an expansion of the brine volume up to 4,400 liters without alteration of the machine. The moisture content, FS30, 50, 70 or 100, can easily be controlled by the control panel as well. This results in improved efficiency with minimized salt consumption without additional investment. The new Stratos Combi Solic is available in two basic varieties, RSP and WSP. The RSP version combines spraying and spreading exclusively using its spraying disc. With a spraying width of up to 8 meters, the RSP is perfectly suited to spraying on country roads. The patented dual-layer spraying disc is brand new and allows you to regulate the wet salt content from FS30 up to FS100 according to your needs. The WSP version combines spraying and spreading using its spraying disc and a spraying nozzle system. The fold-out nozzle arm allows spraying up to 12 meters or 3 lanes at the same time. You can add dry salt as well as a wet salt mixture during spraying. The liquid tanks mounted to the side and front consist of cold-resistant polyethylene. Thanks to the large 3-inch diameter of the pipes, a fill rate of up to 1,200 liters per minute can be achieved. The ES control panel optimally adjusts the mixing ratio to the current weather conditions, even while driving. You can choose between percentage-driven or dosage-driven control. The Strolic offers spraying-only technology. It is specifically designed for large vehicles. Offering a spraying width of up to 12 meters, the Strolic is the optimal machine for quickly fighting ice on motorways and highways. The Strolic ensures maximum efficiency and provides an optimal spraying pattern even with minimal dosage. Durable polyethylene tanks allow individual configurations and are suitable for all de-icing agents. Each tank is equipped with access for cleaning and maintenance. A brine pump in the rear hopper compartment is the heart of the dosage system. The brine is sprayed through the variable flow nozzles on the rear of the vehicle. The spraying width can easily be adjusted with 1 meter accuracy from the ES control panel in the driver's cab. The compact CSP range is best suited for mounting on tractors with 3-point linkage, as well as for mounting on trucks and trailers with a loading platform, pickup trucks, as well as other narrow-gauge vehicles. This compact spraying machine can best display its strong points in urban areas at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour. Stratos Combi Solic, Strolic, or CSP, we have the specialist machine for any of your spraying operations.